Okay, so Nessa, what grade are you in now?
I'm in the eighth grade.
In the eighth grade.
Yeah.
So, what do you like about middle school?
It's fun. It's a lot of new people there. When you go to middle school, it's a lot of people there that like come from everywhere.
Really?
Yeah. But friends is cool. Like, you know?
Yeah, friend. So, you're somebody who's really good at making friends.
hmm
So, when you first got there, you didn't really know a lot of people. Is that true?
Yeah. Only
But
the people who I went to elementary school.
okay, but I bet you know a whole lot more people now,
Yeah, I know I know like everybody.
and everybody knows you. Huh.
Yeah.
So you're popular.
yeah.
How did you do that?
I just like was talking to everybody and everybody just knew me.
So you would talk to people.
Yeah.
So when you met somebody for the first time, what kind of stuff would you talk about? Would you like ask them questions about themselves?
Yeah. It's like we- I just hang around people and I just get to know them while I hang around them.
So you get to know people. You hang around people and you get to know them.
Yeah.
How do you get to know them? Do you like listen to what they
Yeah.
say? So break that down a little bit. How do you get to know somebody?
When you talking to somebody, like you just gotta listen to what they say so you know stuff about them.
Ah, that's a secret right there. Ooh, the secret to being popular. Ooh. So you listen to what they say so you can know stuff about them. What else do you do to get to know people?
Mhm. I don't know. When I get around people, I just be calm. Like I be chill. I just be letting them talk. I don't really be doing much talk. I just be letting them talk, listen to everything they say, and just be chilling.
Mm, so you let them talk more than you talk.
Yeah.
That's
And
smart.
then after they done talking, and then I start talking, and then they start learning stuff about me.
Okay.
Yeah. I be complimenting people hair, be complimenting how they dress.
Oh, so okay, so give me an example how what you might say to somebody when you're complimenting their hair.
All right. I be walking. I see somebody. I just be like, I like your hair, or I like the style in your hair, and
Oh,
then they say something nice too. That's
okay.
how you compliments back too.
Okay. Smart. Okay. And so give me an example of how you might compliment somebody's clothes and what they're wearing.
I just walk up or I walk past somebody. I be looking at what they wear. I just be like, you got some nice shoes or something, or I like your shirt, or them some nice pants. That's fire. You know.
Uh-huh. I know. How'd you get so smart?
I don't know. My mama, she raised me right.
Oh, your mama raised you right. She must be really proud of you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you look so happy.
I'm always happy.
You are. What makes you so happy? What is it that you see in your life that allows you to be so happy?
When I be outside, I be walking. And it's people, like you see people doing nice things, you see people doing stuff for other people. It's nice to see that. And that be making me happy.
Oh, so what you're actually doing, you're looking for good things.
See the nice in the world, that be making me happy.
Oh my God. This is so awesome. I could not have said that better. Seeing the nice in the world. So what made you who did you learn this from to look for the nice in the world, look for the good in the world?
I learned it from myself. to look for nice stuff, like don't be mean to people and stuff.
Yes.
He taught me not to be mean, so I just put nice out, and then that make me see other people being nice.
Wow. So if you had one thing of advice that you would share with a kid who, you know, may not feel like they can make friends, what would you say to them?
I feel like a kid who probably think that they just got to be confident in themselves. Like just go out and talk to people. It's not that hard. It can be hard if you're nervous, but when you like really put yourself out there, you see that it's not that hard. People is nice. People is easy to talk to, and most people be nice back too.
Yes.
It's a lot of nice in the world.
Yeah, there is a lot of nice in the world. You know what I noticed? You really have a nice smile. Do you use
Thank
your smile when you talk to people?
yeah.
Do you, or do you
I
go
like
up and
smiling to people because I make them. I feel like I'm greeting them with a smile, and then that just make them feel nice. I feel like I changed a lot since I was in elementary.
you do?
Yeah.
And how specifically did you change since you were in
I
elementary?
became I became more open. Like in elementary, I was real quiet. I didn't really talk to many people. I was like, whoever just came up to me and talked to me, I would talk to them.
Mhm.
Now I just go out and talk to people. It's nice.
Yes. So you feel more in control?
Yeah,
Oh, that's awesome.
and less shy around people.
One more thing, if you were gonna share with someone in elementary school how to boost their confidence, what would you tell them to think in their minds, you know?
Like you got to make yourself believe it so that you can really achieve it.
Mm. So how do you make yourself believe that you can achieve?
I just I just be waking up. I just be like, I'm gonna do it. I could do it, and I just do it.
So that's called self-talk. That's the way you talk to yourself. So you tell yourself stuff like, I can do it. I'm going to do it. Is that what I
Yeah,
heard you say?
yeah.
Yeah.